Good evening, guys. Today we will be learning about Excel. So, welcome to the Excel with Rohit. In this course, we will be learning Excel, and I'll bet you that you will get Excel in Excel. So, let's understand some basic. So, this is the Excel workbook. Okay, this complete part is called as Excel workbook. Here are different tabs are there. This is a file, then insert, then page layout. These are the different tabs we have. Then under this, this is the part from this file to here. It is called as ribbon. This is for function, entering functions. This is the part below this is called as worksheet. Okay, so we have different worksheet in a workbook. This is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Like that we can add a multiple number of sheets in the workbook. Here the selected part is called as cell. As the cell is selected, we are able to see it in a green border, right? These are the different rows we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like that. These are the rows and these are the columns. Okay, so I hope you have got clear. These are some basics of Excel. Okay, so now we will understand what are the different options we have. In home we have a clipboard, then we have font, alignment, number, and goes on. Then insert we have different options like pivot table. Okay, tables, illustrations, add-ins, charts. Okay, spark lines, like that. In page layout we have themes, page setup, scale. Okay, scale to fit, sheet options. Formulas we can add some formulas from different libraries. Then we have data, review, view. Okay, help section is there, and by searching anything you can directly search a command you want to get. Okay, so this is nothing but the ribbon. Okay, you can just close the ribbon, and by clicking on the home button again you can open the ribbon. You can pin the ribbon so that it will not get closed. Okay, so here we have some data, random data of the booking of the different peoples from different countries to India, to different places. Okay, so the data contains. Let's understand the headers of the data. It has a serial number. Okay, let's kind of call it as a booking number. Then we have name, booking date, age of the traveler, gender of traveler, traveling to city, the traveling state, booking status. Okay, what is the current booking status, the nationality of person, and mode of transfer. So this is the some random data that we have just be using for our learning purpose. Okay, now let's understand some of the parts, some of the functions from ribbons. Okay, so we have this clipboard ribbon. Okay, here you can use this paste option, cut option, copy option, or format painter. Let me make you understand one by one. Here we have, for example, a text. For example, let's say edu. This is the text we have. Now I want to copy this text. Then I can click on copy and I can paste this over here. Okay, so this can be pasted here. I have different options to paste that I'll explain in coming lectures, but for now let's understand. You can use the shortcut also, Control C and Control V. I hope you are aware about this, right? So if I don't want to just want to cut and paste, then I can use this cut option. Okay, and paste this here, right? So the data has been cleared from this cell and it has been entered in this cell. Okay, so this is cut paste. In this cut paste, you have observed that data has been removed completely from previous cell. Okay, For cut paste, you can use the shortcut as Control X. I'll just mention the shortcuts here. This Control plus, sorry my bad, Control plus C, copy for copy, Control plus V, paste. Okay, then we have Control plus X for cut. Okay, so these are the shortcuts you can you will get remembered. I'll share you the cheat sheet for Excel, so don't worry about it at this moment. Now we will understand what are the different fonts we have. Okay, this in font we have Calibri, the different fonts that are used. Then you can see that the current cell which I have selected, the font is Calibri. Okay, I can select the different fonts like Arial, then Algerian, then we have different like Times New Roman. You know that all the reports are generated in Times New Roman. Okay, this is a standard format that is used. Okay, even your newspapers are in this format. You can increase the size of the font by selecting any size from this list. Okay, then decrease the size, and we have the options like increase size and decrease size here beside this font size option. Okay, so the size will get decreased by 2 and size will get increased by 2. So don't forget to subscribe so that our subscribe size will get increased. Yeah, just kidding. Okay, now I just wanted to make the font bold. So what I'll do, I'll select the cell and click on B. For this we have a shortcut Control B. You can use that shortcut as well to make the letters bold, the text bold. Then if I want to convert this text into italic, I'll click on this I option, so the text become italic. Okay, then if I want to underline the text, I can click on this. Okay, we have double underline option as well here. You are not, maybe you will not be able to see. I'll just zoom in little bit. Yeah, I hope you are able to see now. Sorry my bad. Okay, now you will be able to see, right? So this is the name. Now if I want to add some borders, right, for the aesthetic purpose, I can add different types of borders options we have. By clicking on this arrow button near our border option, I can select any type of border. I have bottom border. If I select bottom border, then it will be bottom border. I just remove the underline so that you will be able to see that bottom border is added. Then we have this right border, like, okay, then we have thick border. If I want to add a thick border to a table, for example a complete table, then I can add a thick border, right? There is a table, for example, let's understand this table. I'll just try to add a thick border to its corners. For example, I'll add thick border for this. Now you can see that thick border has been added. Okay, so this is the thick border. Now let's understand some other options as well. Okay, if I want to create all borders, then I can add all borders. So I have some text over here, and I want to add all borders to all the text. Then by clicking on all borders, the text can be added, right? I hope you got clarification on that point, right? And now if I want to fill some in this some color, then I can click on this fill color option. By clicking on the fill color options, I'll be able to fill the color inside the cell. You can change the color from we have different options. You can go for more colors as well. If you want to select particular any color and just fill it, right? So this is the option we have. For font size, we have this option like font color, sorry, For font color, we have this option font color, where you can select any font suitable for this. Okay, so I hope you have got this point, right? So this is all about some basic concepts of Excel with options that we have covered are clipboard and font. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention about this option, that is format painter. So let me tell you what is the use of format painter. The format painter is used to format the form format the content of that, not the content, format the design of the given cell into other cell. For example, if I want this complete data in this format, like the font should be white, the background should be purple, and it should have border. Okay, so I'll just click on this, click on format painter, and I will click on this. Okay, now you can see that the format of Edu Rohit has been copied to USA, right? So this is nothing but format painter. Okay? And now if you want to format it for multiple, then by double clicking on it, you can do this as well. Okay, so you can able to note that the format is getting copied. Okay? So this is the, even you can see the Times New Roman, the font, and all the details are getting copied. Okay? This is nothing but format painter. Okay? So we have covered today clipboard, font, and different tabs we have, and what is worksheet, what is a workbook. Okay, and you can save this as by clicking on file saver. Currently I am using 2019 Excel. Okay, all the functionality may are mostly same in all the Excel, just names are changed, so don't worry about that. You can learn from here also. Okay, so that's all for today. Let's stop today.